Meaning of frying pan.
Frying pan.
Frying pan.
Frying pan.
Frying pan. A frying pan is a cooking utensil that is typically made of metal and has a flat bottom and slightly curved sides. It is used for cooking foods such as pancakes, eggs, and meats by placing them on the heated surface of the pan. When food is cooked in a frying pan, it is typically browned and crispy on the outside while remaining tender and juicy on the inside. Frying pans come in various sizes and can be used on a variety of heat sources, including stovetops, ovens, and campfires.